Welcome to competitionplus.in. Today we will continue with class 9th English chapter 1, The Lost Child, and this is the second video. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove, and, forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hand. जैसे ही बच्चे ने ग्रोव यानी कि फॉरेस्टेड एरिया में पैर रखा, अपने पेरेंट्स को वो भूल गया. एंड ही बिगेन गैदरिंग द रेनिंग पेटल्स इन हिज हैंड एंड ही स्टार्टेड कलेक्टिंग द पेटल्स, पंखुड़ियां अपने हाथों में. बट लो, he heard the cooing of doves, कबूतरों की आवाज सुनी, and ran towards his parents, shouting, "The dove!" The raining petals dropped from his hand, and when he saw the pigeons, the petals he was carrying in his hand fell down. "Come, child, come," they called to the child, who had now gone running in the wild capers round the banyan tree. बच्चा जो था वो बरगद के पेड़ के आसपास घूम रहा था. मम्मी पापा ने उसे पकड़ा और संकरी गलियों से होते हुए मेले की तरफ बढ़ने लगे. इस बीच में उन्होंने सरसों के खेत भी पार किए. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of people. और भी सड़कों से, अलग अलग सड़कों से, फुटपाथ से बहुत सारे लोग निकल के आने लगे और सब मेले की तरफ जाने लगे. ये देख के बच्चे को बहुत ही ज्यादा आनंद आ रहा था. And felt once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. He was now going to enter into a world which was full of confusion and materialistic attractions. A sweetmeat seller hawked. मिठाई बेचने वाला आवाज लगा रहा था. गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फी, जलेबी at the corner of the entrance के एकदम कोने पे खड़ा होके. And a crowd pressed around his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets. और उसके काउंटर पे बहुत भीड़ लगी हुई थी. And all sort of sweets were there, decorated with leaves of silver and gold. The child stared open eyes. उसकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह गई. And his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. तो उस बच्चे की जो फेवरेट मिठाई थी वो थी बर्फी. I want that बर्फी, he slowly murmured. उसने बोला, मुझे बर्फी चाहिए. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. बिना बेचारे ने आंसर जाने चुपचाप आगे चल पड़ा. A flower seller hawked. A garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. Attracted, the child felt attracted towards the flower seller. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured. धीरे से बोला, I want the garland. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. उसे मालूम था कि वो उसकी ये ख्वाहिश भी पूरी नहीं की जाएगी और बोल दिया जाएगा कि तुम लालची हो. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, green, red, purple balloons flying from it. And मेले में गुब्बारे वाले को देख के बच्चा बहुत खुश हो गया. अलग अलग तरीके के गुब्बारे थे उसके पास. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glow of their silken colors and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. बच्चे के मन में गुब्बारे को देख के बहुत प्रबल इच्छा हुई कि मुझे भी वो गुब्बारे चाहिए, और अपनी इस इच्छा को वो अब दबा नहीं पा रहा था. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. उसको पता था कि उसके पेरेंट्स ये बोलेंगे कि तुम अब बड़े हो चुके हो, इसीलिए वो बेचारा अपनी उस इच्छा को छोड़ के आगे बढ़ चला. Based on today's explanation, you need to answer these 4 questions in your register in beautiful handwriting. And if you face any query or a doubt, kindly write it down in the comment section. I shall get back to you. See you in the third video of Lost Child. Do share, like and subscribe. Always do good to others, and don't forget to take good care of you and your parents. Thank you.